Bug Fables! It's a Paper Mario that you'll actually want to play. Let's celebrate this awesome title with Tangy Carpaccio! You'll need tangy berries. Peaches work too, though. They'll need to be pitted. Slice down the middle, following the natural line. Then you can twist back and forth until it gives. Now you can use a melon baller to get that pit out. Alright, slice a shallow X in the top of the peach halves. It'll make peeling them easier later. Alright, you'll also need half a vanilla bean. Scrape out the good stuff. You can use vanilla extract too instead. In a pot goes white wine, I like Moscato, a little water, honey, I use berry honey, but use whatever you like, lemon juice, sugar and a pinch of salt, and that vanilla bean that we dispatched earlier. Bring this whole thing up to a boil. Then carefully add your peaches. Cook them at a medium simmer. You don't want to boil them too hard. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Alright, now you can flip them. Cover and cook another 10 minutes. When they're done, strain them out and place them in a bowl. Alright, we're going to cook down the stuff in the pot until it reduces by about half. Leave the vanilla pods in there, the flavor will only improve. Place them in something with a pour spout, and place your syrup and your fruit in the fridge until they've completely cooled. If you have one, place your syrup in a squirt bottle. You'll have extra syrup, by the way, but that's great because it makes a great sweetener for iced tea. Yum. Okay, once the stuff is chilled, slice it up. Leave a couple pieces whole though. That way, you can arrange it nicely on a plate. Lastly, you're going to want to drizzle some more of that tasty sauce. And maybe top it with a sprig of mint. A refreshing summer dessert. Tangy Carpaccio is yummy! If you're looking for more insect-friendly treats, check out my Undertale Spider Donuts. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because there's more Bug Fable food coming. See you next time. Bye!